How to set a live wallpaper from TikTok on your phone. So if you want to set a live wallpaper from TikTok on your phone, then first you need to open up your TikTok application. Once you open up your TikTok, now you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, or just simply go with the search, which is on the upper right. Once you're here on the search, you need to simply search for wallpapers 4K. Once you search here, you will get all of the live wallpapers, right? Once you find the wallpaper, now if you want to set this wallpaper, then what you need to do is simply go with the share option, which is on the bottom right. Once you tap on share, now here if you swipe right, then you will have an option of set as wallpaper. Tap on set as wallpaper, and then you need to install the wallpaper plugin to set this as a wallpaper. So you'll need to install this update to use this video as your wallpaper. So simply tap on install and install the wallpaper plugin. And once you've installed, now you just need to simply go back with the same process, and then you will have set as wallpaper option on the bottom of your screen, and if you tap on it, then that video will be set as your wallpaper. So that's how you can set a live wallpaper from TikTok on your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.